Back at you again. About to go start back on the electrical wiring on the 66 Impala. Electric fans, I'm gonna start with this. Screwing this in there. Put a little silicone on the threads. And you got the little temp switch. About to run the relay. I'll put it right here. Right there. Put a fan relay. Got the relay hooked up as far as to mount it. About to run the relay. I'll put it right here. Right there. Put a fan relay. Got the relay hooked up as far as to mount it. Okay, I got some of my electrical wires hooked up. Got my temperature switch hooked up for the fan. When it reach above 190, it'll cut on automatic. I got my relay hooked up. And also, I have my trinary switch hooked up that runs for electric fans. This power wire right that I have in here, I just have it stuck in there. That's gonna go on both fans on the positive. I have my fuse that's gonna go this end right here. It's gonna go to the positive side of the battery. It's gonna go to the fans. And this is the ground for the vintage air. This one right here, it's leading from here, going down here. That's to power up the vintage air. And I have two 12-inch fans. You have the orange wire that's leading from the fuse box to power up the fan, which that's the ignition wire for power. And that's gonna tell the fans to cut on. And that hooks to the brown wire to the relay. On the relay, you have the 12 volt for the battery. This will go to the fan. The brown one's for the ignition. The ground goes out to the binary and also to the switch.